All right, Scout, we're gonna do a video. Ew, hold on, Grandma. Well, Scout and Grandma. Okay, so all Grandma's gonna do is lift the box, and then we're gonna. Yeah, we're already recording. No, just lift the box. No, just as in you were just supposed to lift the box, as in like, just pick it up. I guess it's already it's already open. It's just gonna fall out.
Oh, is it gonna fall out?
Yeah, it's not gonna break. No, just lift the box. Just it'll fall out. Thank you, Grandma. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh no, children do not play with this stuff.
But you're older 5. Look, ages 5 and up, Scout.
Awesome.
But look, Scout, let's turn it so it's better for the camera. I got it on Amazon, Scout. It was like $25 or something like that. So sounds affordable, huh, Scout, and portable. Hey, camera, can you open it? Can you open it? It's everyone's favorite part of watching Grandma struggle opening a box.
No, Grandma did not struggle.
No, struggling this time.
Oh, that's a little box. It's a little bag.
So there's a little bag.
I don't see what little about this.
Oh, I see. But definitely could fit in my backpack. Definitely fit in my... Alright, Scott, with the little pause there. You get it? Pause. I thought I had hands, Grandma.
Oh.
Well, we can call them hands, but they're paws. Look, Scout, so there's the foldable... Look, Scout. Some instructions.
How to learn.
How to lose at chess.
How to learn to play.
Yeah, I mean...
Not how to learn to play.
Look, Scout, so it comes with those instructions on how to play checkers. How to play checkers. And then here's the chess pieces. They're not that heavy. And they feel like I got my money's worth.
And then
I open the bag. I would open the bag to see how they feel. Oh, curious.
It's a resealable bag.
Let me just see. Oh, they're very light. I thought they were gonna. Yeah, they're very light.
Well,
definitely not heavy. If it's windy, man, they'll get blown away.
But you're not gonna play, Papa, when it's windy. Only when there's no wind.
Yeah, so. Well, at least it's portable.
Yes.
And it's bigger. But definitely get what you pay for, Scout. I didn't pay for it. I know. I did. But either way, well, if we got what we paid for, Scout.
But you don't want it to be real heavy. I thought that went on a table. If it's windy, it won't blow. Because it has this thing on the bottom.
Thank you, Grandma.
Look at us.
Bye, everybody. Bye.